Hello friends, once again welcome to my channel friends. In this video, I'm going to talk about the books, the material, the notes of English literature, language, criticism, and so many topics of UGC NET exam in English. Friends, I have some of the groups, important groups, as well as YouTube channel. You can here see the group in Telegram. Yes, friends. And in this group, there are only 139 members, but it is just opened, friends. It is just opened by me before a week. So the members are increasing day by day, and you will find there are 98 files are uploaded till now, and these files are of material of English literature, and these material are very much authentic, not so and so material. The material or whatever is uploaded here is authentic. Okay, because I also checked the material. You can see the files here. Okay, then some of the important books I have suggested here also. These are the files I uploaded, and some of my friends are also uploading the files day by day. When they find something important, they are uploading, and some of the videos also I suggested here. Then, friends, apart from this group, I have one WhatsApp group also. You can join my WhatsApp group, you can join my Telegram group. I will send the link into the description of this video. So here you can find the WhatsApp group. In this WhatsApp group there are around 200 students and my friends have joined this group. This video I am making particularly because students are asking for link and files and notes in YouTube channel, but I many times I told them that I have a group, please join it. So this is only for that, friends. In this group also many files are uploaded by many friends, linguistics and many other different topics files are uploaded here, friends. And then, as you all know that this is my YouTube channel, and in only 5 months I have uploaded around 75 videos on different topics of English literature. You will find there that online portal of free coaching, friends. There is no payment you have to pay. Okay, it is totally free. All the things are free here, because I do not want to earn from you guys. So there are 2290 subscribers are right now in 5 months who found my channel authentic and valuable. They have subscribed it, and these are the videos. Let me show you the playlist. I have created some of the important playlist, friends. For example, first one is Unit 1 Drama. These are liked videos. This is private one, friends. Then this one is Drama. 4 videos are uploaded in this particular playlist, and all the videos you will find a full playlist here also. All the videos in one single playlist. Then TGT and PGT KVS NVS students uh, can find a playlist here for them. Then Unit 10 Research Method in English. Then IMP Topics in English Literature. A separate playlist I have created here. 13 videos are there. For example, clubs and movements, and so many things are there. Poet laureates and confusing titles. Such videos are there. Then guidance playlist is also there, which can guide you for the exam. Then non-British literature playlist is there. Then other playlist which is including the MCQs only, the one-liners. Yes, friends. Then literary criticism and theory playlist, unit number 7, 8, and 9. So many things are there, friends. Apart from that, there is also one playlist on paper 1, general paper of UGC NET. 4 videos are there for paper 1. Some videos on MCQs, and one video is there, a long video of 1.5 hours for the key points to be prepared for UGC NET exam, who are very weak in paper 1, they can watch this video and can know which points are very very important for them. And friends, apart from this particular my channel, I have a Facebook group also. So I am there on each type of social media, friends, to help you and give my suggestions and some material. Once again, there is a title online portal of free coaching on English literature for NET, SET, JRF, KVS, and NVS. So, friends, here you will find it is also just opened before some months. 656 members are there now. They are posting very valuable material, videos, and posts, and discussion questions, and lot more. You can also find me there, and you can also message me for any confusion and any query on your side. So just join this group also to learn freely. And friends, free doesn't mean that it is not valuable, but the valuable people are there who are sharing all the things, all these things free of cost. Okay, those people are very much valuable. So you can search the group name Free Portal of English Literature for NTA, NET, SET, JRF, KVS, NVS. The name is like that. You will find my name also in the title. So find it and join, please. Then very important one website I have, a blog I have, in which I am uploading some of the materials, and some of the things I have already done there. You will find some of the important notes from my videos. Yes, video content is there, and gradually I am uploading all the things gradually. Okay, and here you can find NTA UGC NET paper 1 section, in which you will find some of the important material for paper 1. Okay, the units which are very important in paper 1, you will find the topics here with some PDF notes also, and the syllabus is also there. Then old question papers in single file, you can you will be able to print the papers outside and just solve them out for your preparation. You can do it. Then apart from paper 1, there is paper 2 English literature, and last year cutoff I have posted here. Then after new syllabus and old the subjects of other the syllabus of other subjects, sorry, so it is also posted there. You will find that. Then these are the links for different material, friends. For example, old question paper in single file, when we open it, you will find so many papers of UGC NET last year papers in a single file. So you will be able to download and print it out outside. So 107 pages are there in this single file. Okay, so what what kind of help it will provide to you? You don't need to go somewhere else to download the question papers, or don't need to buy any book for that. You just download this and tick mark the questions, okay, the answers in the questions, and you can print it out, and other things are also there. So friends, that's all from my side, and let me tell you one more thing. Mock tests are also there. For paper 1, I have uploaded 2 tests. More tests I am going to create. Then mock tests on English literature. 4 tests are there on Chaucer's Age and other general literature. Okay, friends. So these are the things I wanted to uh, talk about in this particular video, because many students are asking always that, sir, please provide some notes and material. They are messaging me in WhatsApp. Okay, via WhatsApp they are contacting me, and I just send them the links of my blog, of my group, Okay, so in this video, I will provide you the links of all these groups, and my channel is already there. You can subscribe to my channel for next exam preparation, because I'm going to upload each and every topic related video in this particular channel for your reference and understanding, and in very easy language, friends, with the MCQs also. Sample MCQs will be also there. And one more thing is that you will find some of the important links of books that you want to buy. For example, in this particular video, when we open this one, you will find that in the description box there are some links of videos, sorry, of books. Okay, video links are also there. How to qualify in just 30 days. Okay, new syllabus discussion and best books. These are video links, but below that there is links of most important books one must have to one must buy if he wants to qualify NET or set exam. Okay, so general paper 1, the 3 books I suggested there, and for paper 2 I have suggested around 16 books, but you can have 2 or 3 of them if whatever you want to buy. Okay, just click on the link and you will be redirected to Amazon to buy the books. So friends, that's all from my side, and keep watching my videos. These are very valuable and with good and nice explanation. So uh, please join the groups I have described here. Okay, till then, thank you very much. Have a good day.